Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be a continuation of my previous video where we built a Discord bot, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add 3 new commands to that bot. The first command we're going to be adding is a mute command, the second command we're going to be adding is a meme command, and the last command we're going to be adding is a giveaway command. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to head over to Replit, and we're going to open up our project, so my Discord bot. And one thing we want to do is, since we're going to be adding a meme command, we're going to be getting those memes directly from Reddit. And to do that, we have to make a Reddit developer account. And to do that, we're going to open up a new tab. We're going to go to reddit.com/prefs/apps. And you should be brought to this white page. And if you're not already signed in, on the top right, there's going to be a login button where my name is. And you're just going to log in to Reddit, and if you don't have a Reddit account, you can just sign up and make one. And on the top left, you're going to click Are You a Developer, Create an App, and we're going to give it a name, so I'm just going to call it meme bot, and you want to select script out of these 3. We're going to give our bot a description, so I'm just going to say this bot gets memes from Reddit. And we don't need an about URL, and for the redirect URL we're just going to do https://localhost:8080, and you want to hit create app. And our application is now created, and we're going to head over to our Replit again, and we're going to go into the packages, which is the cube icon. And we're going to install a package called Praw. You spell that P-R-A-W. And it should be the first package, and you want to hit the plus sign to add it. After it finishes installing, you'll know because the plus sign will turn into a little minus sign, and we're just going to import the package. So to do that, we're just going to type in import and Praw. Now that we have the Reddit package installed, it's time for us to make an instance of Reddit. And to do that, we're going to create a new variable, call it Reddit, set that equal to Praw, which we just installed now, dot Reddit, and 2 parentheses. So now we're going to head back to our bot, and we're going to copy all these random letters under personal use script. You're just going to copy that. Head back to your Discord script, and we're going to type client_ID is equal to 2 quotation marks, and just paste that. And then a comma, and then we're going to do client_secret is equal to 2 quotation marks. We're going to head back to our Reddit bot, and we're just going to copy this, and this is known as the client secret. You're just going to copy that and paste it right here. Comma, don't forget those. And then we're going to add a user_agent equals 2 quotation marks. And this is just the name of your bot, and mine's called meme bot, comma, and then username. And that's just your Reddit username, so you just want to type in your login, and then comma, and then password. You're going to type in your password. Now we have our Reddit instance. The first command we're going to be creating is a mute command. And to create a new command, you can just copy one of your previous ones and paste it, and change the name of the command. So we're just going to call this mute, and we're also going to change the comment for this command. So we're just going to say this command mutes user. And for this command, we can't just use ctx because we're going to need a member to mute, and we're going to need a reason for why they were muted. So to do that, we're just going to type comma member and then discord.member. And we're also going to need an asterisk and a reason. And we can get rid of this line of code because we won't need it. And we're going to need to define a muted role, so then the bot can give that user that role. And to do that, we're going to create a new variable called role. Set that equal to discord.utils.get, 2 parentheses, and then member.guild.roles, and the name of that role. So we're just going to say 2 quotation marks and muted. Now the bot has to give that user that role, and to do that, we're just going to type await member dot add underscore roles, and then we're just going to type role. And then after that member is muted, the bot is going to say something like, oh, this user was muted because. So to do that, we're just going to type await ctx.send, and then we're going to type member. We're going to use a string command and then type member, and then plus, and then 2 quotation marks, was muted for, and then plus, and then string, or just str, 2 parentheses, and then reason. And that's our mute command. Since we have a mute command, we're also going to need an unmute command so we can unmute someone. And to do that, we're just going to copy our mute command and then paste it. Then we're going to change the name of it to just unmute. And we're just going to change the comment to this command unmutes a user. And we can get rid of the asterisk and the reason because we won't need those. And then we just change await member.add roles to member.remove underscore roles. And then we're just going to change our message. We're going to get rid of this. So string member, and then has been unmuted. And that's going to be our unmute command. After you finish making your commands, you want to run your bot and you want to go to your Discord server. And what you want to do is you want to go to your server settings and you want to create a new role, and that's called muted. So I named it muted because that's what we defined in the script. And you want to give it like permission to like not talk. And then you want to go to your text channels and you want to edit the channels, and then you have to make it so the muted can't send messages into that channel. So say in your server you have someone spamming, so what you want to do is just use the command mute at test account, because that's their name, and you want to put the reason, and I'm just saying spamming. Then you do that, and then yes was muted for spamming, and you can see that they're muted. The next command we're going to be adding is a meme command, and we're just going to pull the memes straight from Reddit. So the first thing we have to do is we're going to define which subreddit we want to get our memes from. And for this video, I'm just going to use the Dank meme subreddit. So we're going to make a new variable called subreddit, and I misspelled that, and set that equal to reddit.subreddit, and 2 parentheses, 2 quotation marks, and then the name of the subreddit, so it's just going to be Dank memes. Now we have to actually create the command, and to do that, we're just going to copy one of our previous commands and then paste it. Change the name of it, so I'm just going to say this is meme, and change the comment. This command sends a meme from Reddit, and we're just going to get rid of this. So the first thing we're going to do to this command is, since we copied it from our previous command, we need to get rid of these. So get rid of everything except for ctx. And then the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new variable called posts, and set that equal to subreddit dot top, and then limit is equal to 1. So this is just gonna go to our subreddit that we defined. So for us that's dank memes, and it's gonna get the top post from there right now. And then we're gonna use a for loop, and we're gonna get that post. And to do that, we're just gonna type for I comma post in enumerate and two parentheses posts and colon await ctx.send post.url. And that's it for this command. It's just gonna get the top post from that subreddit you define, and it's just gonna send it into the server. So you're just gonna run your bot and head back over to the Discord server. Once you run your bot, head back to your Discord server, and to try out the command, just type /meme, and then it sends the top post right now from that subreddit. The last command we're going to be making for our bot is a giveaway command, and before we start working on that, we need to import a package called asyncio. So import asyncio. I'll explain later why we'll need that. And we're going to create two new variables. One is called giveaway members, and that's just a list of all the members in the giveaway, and set that equal to 2 square brackets. And we're going to create a true or false variable to check if our giveaway is active. And to do that, we're just going to type is giveaway active and set that equal to false for now. Now we're going to create a new command. So just copy our previous one. And we're going to change the name of it to giveaway. And change the comment. So this command starts a giveaway. And just like our mute command, we can't just use ctx because we're going to need the duration of the giveaway and what's being given away. So get rid of member, and we're going to do duration and asterisk and item. And then get rid of these lines of code. And the first thing we want to do with this command is set that is giveaway active variable to true. So to do that, we're just going to type global is giveaway active, and then set is giveaway active equal to true. The next thing we have to add to our command is we have to get the bot to tell what's being given away. So to do that, we're just going to say await ctx.send, and then string stir, and then two parentheses ctx.message.author.mention, and then plus two quotation marks, and then is giving away, and another plus, and then str two parentheses and item. And then we're gonna do await asyncio.sleep, and then int two parentheses and then duration. So what this line of code does is it uses the asyncio package that we installed earlier, and it like sleeps, or it like waits for however long the duration is, and then after that it's going to determine a winner. So to for the bot to determine a winner, we're just going to do winner. We're going to create a new variable called winner, and that's equal to a random dot choice, and then it's just going to be equal to a random choice from our giveaway members. So we're just going to type giveaway members, and then the bot's going to send await ctx.send, and then string, and then two parentheses winner, and plus, and then two quotes, and then type has won the giveaway. We have to add to this command is giveaway active, and set that equal to false. So then when the giveaway is over, this is set to false, and then it's not in like a continuous loop. And if a user wants to create a new giveaway, they just use this command. Now that we have a giveaway command, currently we don't have a way for the user or anyone in the server to join that giveaway. So we're just going to create a new command for that. So we're just going to copy this and then paste it. And then we're going to give it a new name. So we're just going to type enter. And then we don't need these arguments. It's just going to be CTX. And we can get rid of all of this. And then we're going to type if is giveaway active is equal to true. We're just going to say giveaway members dot append, and append just means like add on to a list. And then we're going to type str 2 parentheses and ctx dot message dot author. And then the bot's going to say await ctx dot send, and then we're going to say stir and ctx dot message dot author dot mention plus 2 quotation marks has entered the giveaway. And then if there isn't a giveaway, we're just going to type else and then a colon, and we're just going to let the bot say await ctx.send. There is currently no giveaway. And that's it for our enter command. After you finish up with that, run your Discord bot and head back to your Discord server. And to test out the command, we're just going to type /giveaway. And then the duration, let's just set it to 10 seconds. And then we're just going to give away something. And then we're just going to enter by typing /enter. And it says right here that we entered. And now the bot's just going to choose a random person from that list. And since I was the only one that entered the giveaway, it's just going to say that I won the giveaway. And if you type /enter again, it's just going to say there's currently no giveaway. And yeah, that's the giveaway command. If you enjoyed the video and learned something from it, please make sure to like and subscribe and turn notifications on for future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video.